Hostfully, from sign up to synced in 60 seconds. Want your properties live on lake.com in under a minute? Well, today we're going to connect Hostfully with lake.com and get you more visibility and bookings fast. Well, why connect anyway? Well, with this free integration, you can manage it all on Hostfully. That's the system that you're already familiar with. That includes your properties, your calendars, and your bookings. So you really don't have to leave Hostfully after this initial connection. But now you're going to be reaching more travelers on lake.com's travel guides that cover 10,000 destinations, including cities, lakes, as well as national and state parks. Get bookings from lake.com's travelers who are mostly families looking for their next great outdoor adventure. Then lake.com serves as the merchant of record and accepts payment on your behalf, and then pays you after the first night's stay directly into your Stripe-connected bank account. Manage communications and cleaning schedules on Hostfully just like you always have, but most importantly, you can give guests a smooth 5-star experience. Here's how to get started. First, log into lake.com or sign up for free if you don't already have an account. Now, once you're logged in, make sure that you're in the host view by hovering over that Me menu in the top right-hand corner. You can just toggle over to say host and just make sure that that's on. In the same menu, click Connections. Now, on the Connections page, scroll down till you find Hostfully, then click Connect. Click Connect again to link your account. You're going to be prompted to log in to Hostfully if you aren't already signed in. Next, you're going to be granting permission to share some information between the two sites. Well, what kind of information? This includes your property title, description, photos, and amenities, so we can showcase those on lake.com. And then when you get a booking, we're going to be pushing back the reservation data as well as the guest information back to Hostfully. If all looks good to you, just grant permission and you're going to be returned automatically to lake.com. If not, revisit the connections page and just go through the steps again. And that's it. You're done. Congratulations. In Hostfully, you're going to want to open up the channels menu to see and manage Lake as a new booking channel. See, it's right there. And back over on lake.com, check that the listings are there. You can verify everything is synced and looks good to you. For that initial sync, it can take a few minutes. You might have 10, 20, 100, or even 500 properties. So you can imagine that might take some time. And then after that, your property details, the title, the description, the photos, the amenities, that's going to sync up every 6 hours. But most importantly, the pricing changes and calendar availability, that syncs every 5 minutes. With lake.com, you can tap into a whole new distribution channel and reach outdoor travelers who are looking to book a weekend getaway or a longer stay by the water. And with our free Hostfully connection, you'll stay synced, save time, and get your properties in front of the right guests. So now it's over to you. Connect Hostfully with lake.com today.